Bungie, Switzerland in 1. Jefferson, USA 2. Jackson, Jamaica 3. Thompson-Herah, Jamaica 4. Talou, Cote d'Ivoire in 5. Fraser Pryce, Jamaica in 6. Hobbs, USA 7. Asher Smith, Great Britain in 8. The Jamaicans had a clean sweep in Tokyo 12 months ago. What odds on them doing it again? Wherever you're watching, take a moment to savour this. It could be very, very special. Watch for Shelly-Ann Fraser Pryce getting out well, and she has done. She's bidding for a 5th world title, and she's going to do it. Shelly-Ann Fraser Pryce from Elaine Thompson-Herah. 5 world titles, 5 over 100 metres. She needed a quick start. She got a quick start. And